In our visual language, icons representing skills, resources, and projects are placed around a ring. Suppose we receive a request for a new project. We drag the icon labeled New Project into the interior of the ring. We see that this project requires one C++ programmer and one business analyst. We drag these two icons into the interior of the ring. We see that Alice, Bob, and Carol are all programmers, but Jeff is our only business analyst. So let's assign Jeff to this project. We do this by dragging the icon for Jeff onto the new project icon. The system draws an arrow representing this relationship. In addition, the arrow between the project and the skill has become bidirectional, signifying that this skill requirement for the project is now satisfied. Now let's find a programmer for this project. The colored bands along the radial exterior of the resource icons show how many projects each resource is assigned to. We see that Carol is only assigned to 2 projects, compared to Alice and Bob's 3. Let's assign Carol to the new project by dragging the icon for Carol atop the icon for the new project. Let's take a look at what the other programmers are working on. We drag the icons for Bob and Alice into the ring. We can see that they are both working on the same projects because their arrows converge on the same set of project icons. To give Alice and Bob more opportunity to work with others, we will remove Bob from the web deployment project and assign him to work on Data Warehouse. We do this by drawing a straight line intersecting the arrow connecting Bob to web deployment. Then we drag the icon for Data Warehouse onto the icon for Bob. The colored icons around the ring's circumference present additional information about the projects and resources they represent. The project icons display the current end date for each project, as well as the % complete. They are arranged counterclockwise in order of end date, so that more time-critical projects are easy to spot. The radial magnitude, or length, of a project's icon represents its assigned priority level relative to other projects. Here we see that GUI Updates has been given a higher priority than Game Engine, for example. The colors outside the resource icons correspond to the colors of the projects to which a resource is assigned. The length of the colored band relative to the length of the resource icon signifies the capacity or experience level of that resource. Notice that Ted's band does not cover the whole length of his icon. This could suggest that Ted is new to the organization and is still in training. We can limit the amount of detail we see by removing icons from the ring. For example, if we don't want to see attributes relating to programmers, we drag the programmer icon outside the circle. Dragging it back restores that information. This allows the user to focus on the attributes that are most relevant to the current visualization task.